there, stranger. It's really nice to see you here. The reason we're here? Well, you might think it's geeky, but we happen to be two best friends who love our cameras. Not the actual cameras, obviously, but telling stories and capturing our crazy ideas and adventures with them. Now we're sharing those here. Our dream would be that these stories inspire you to get outside, be crazy, and enjoy life. That's exactly what we're trying to do. Our world is awfully amazing, and we simply want to make the most of what it has to offer. For us, that means being adventurers, exploring the outdoors, creating and doing new things, and definitely being a little crazy. We want to create moments that one day we will be able to remember and cherish. Hopefully you do too, because the adventure that is our life is the only one we've got. We hope to see you back here every Friday. That's when we'll be posting a new video each week. It would definitely mean the world to us. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, I do hope you like pineapples. Once in a while you might see one here, 'cause let's be honest, pineapples are definitely the most awesome fruit.